You can emphasize different types of data, such as temperature and precipitation, by combining two or more chart types in one combo chart. Different types of data often have different value ranges, and with a combo chart, you can include a secondary axis. Select the cells you want to chart. Combo chart isn't a quick analysis option, so we click the Insert tab on the ribbon, click the Combo button, and choose an option. I'm moving and resizing the chart to make it easier to work with. I give the chart a title. Adding a secondary axis for precipitation will make the chart easier to understand. I double-click the precipitation line in the chart and select Secondary Axis in the task pane. It would make the chart even clearer if we added axis titles. Click the Chart Element button, click the arrow besides Axis Titles, select Primary Vertical and Secondary Vertical, click the title boxes, and type the appropriate text. Up next, copy a chart.